G'day guys, welcome to Purewax Car Care Products. My name's Chris and today we're actually showing you a demo of our Blizzard Soap, which is our super concentrated pH balanced soap that can be used in a foam lance and also in a wash bucket. Okay guys, so this is how it operates. The Blizzard Soap can be used in the bucket or in the foam lance. If you use it in the foam lance, really simple. You're going to put 15 to 30 mils of product into here and then top it up to the top with water. Really simple. Take off the top, get rid of the seal, put your cap back on, bit of a shake, undo your foam lance. 15 to 30 mils is a couple of squirts, so 1 and 2, and then we'll top up the rest with water. Just going to introduce you to the Purewax Instant Drying Towel. A great way to get rid of the excess water once you've finished washing your car. Super absorbent, huge in size, and a great little accessory. So I hold it at the top and literally just go around the whole car, giving it a quick dry. First time around, gets rid of most of the water. Start from the top down. And once I've done this, I'll come around for a quick final inspection. Hold it at the top so it doesn't drag onto the floor and get rid of the water that way. Really simple.